This quick video, we're going to troubleshoot any Apple HomePod Mini that will not connect to Apple TV, and that is a very common problem. So the very first thing you want to do is open up the Home app on your iPhone, check that you have both your Apple TV and your Apple HomePod Mini, and make sure that they're both on your Home app, and then make sure that they are assigned to the same room. All right, if they're in different homes, they will not pair. All right, number two, check that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. So open up Apple TV, go to Settings, then Network, and then check your Wi-Fi network name. And then on iPhone, go to Settings and then Wi-Fi, and then confirm you are connected to the same network. All right, a guest Wi-Fi network can prevent a HomePod from connecting. Number three, set HomePod Mini as Apple TV audio output. So on your Apple TV, hold the TV button on the remote to open up the control center. Select the audio output icon and then choose your HomePod Mini. Or you can go to the settings, video, and then audio, then select audio output and then choose your HomePod Mini. Number four, you can restart both devices. You could simply just unplug them from the wall. That's one thing you can do. Or on your Apple TV, just go to Settings, System, and Restart. And then on the HomePod Mini, you can just open up the Home app, press and hold down the HomePod, and then tap Reset HomePod. All right. Number five, if that doesn't work, update Apple TV and HomePod software. So on Apple TV, go to Settings, System, Software Updates, and then select Update Software. And then on the HomePod Mini, open the Home app, tap the three little dots, and then select Home Settings, and then tap Software Update. All right, and then if that doesn't work, number six, make your HomePod Mini the default Apple TV speaker. So for Apple TV 4K, for example, go to Settings, Video, and then Audio. Select Audio Output, choose HomePod Mini. If available, choose Use as Apple TV speaker, and then turn AirPlay off and back on. And then on your Apple TV, go to Settings, AirPlay, and HomeKit. Turn AirPlay off, restart Apple TV, and then turn AirPlay back on. And then the last resort is to reset your HomePod Mini, and you can do that by going to the Home app and then press and hold down the HomePod Mini. Scroll down, tap Reset HomePod, and remove it from your home, and set it up again. All right, let me know which method worked.